Okay, the first thing you need to do is to create a YouTube account. So if you do not have a YouTube account, right, you have to create it first. Okay, so here I'm going to show you. First you go on to your Google browser, and then you type in YouTube. Okay, Google search. All right, you choose YouTube, and you will come to the YouTube interface. All right, here you choose your channel. Okay, if you do not have an account, you have to create it first. But if you already have the channel, sorry, here, right, click over here and you have your channel here. So click your channel and you will see that this is a new account. I do not have any videos. So you are going to upload your video for competition. So what you do is you click upload video, and then afterwards you choose from your desktop, from your computer, where your video is. Okay, select files. Right, so you will go to your video file by default, but if it's not in your video file, maybe you would like to choose it from any folder that you have in your computer. Right, so let me give you an example. I'm going to choose a short video so that it doesn't take a long time to upload. So I'm going to upload this short video called testing. All right, click on it and then click open. All right, so it will upload by itself. So over here, what you need to do is you type in the title. Okay, let's say, okay, competition, whatever competition it is, or you write your school name, competition 1, and you don't even need to write your description. It's up to you whether you want to write, okay, this entry is from whatever competition it is, show your viewers. But your viewers, if you want to put unlisted, then you do not need to show other people. It's only for the organizer. So okay, you can write and if you want to, or you can choose to skip this. Okay, you don't need to even put in and upload a YouTube sorry, a thumbnail. A thumbnail is like a cover. It's like the cover of your book. So if you do not have a thumbnail, what you will see is the one part of your video here, the one of the pages of your video, one of the a scene from the video. Okay, playlist, you do not even need to create a playlist. So leave that alone. Then you put in no, it's not made for kids. Okay. Show more. You can leave this text alone. Tag is to enable a viewer to find your video better or easily. So you maybe want to put your school name. You can type in your school name or the name of a competition. Okay, video language. If you have it in English, then you can click English here. Okay, if it's in English, you can click English. The rest you can just leave it alone. And after that, what category is it? Is it entertainment? Is it competition or education? Okay, if it's a video for competition in school, then probably you put education. Okay, comments and ratings. I think no one is going to look at your video if it's not put as public, so you can leave that alone. Okay, the next thing is, I see the progress percentage, right? 40%. You need to wait until it's 100%. Then your video is done. Okay, video elements. Okay, you can leave that alone. Then you go to checks. Checks is also, you have to leave it alone, and it's nothing much here. And visibility. So lastly, you go to visibility, and very important here for competition, you need to put it as unlisted. Unlisted means here, it means here that only people whom you give the link, okay, who has got your link can watch your video. That means people out there in the public, people who are the public, general public, cannot search for your video. So the description and the text, you can just leave it alone because no one can search for your video. So you just put unlisted. Okay, only the person who has the link to your video can watch your video. All right, private is only you and whoever you choose can watch your video. So you are supposed to put it unlisted for competition. Okay, schedule, you don't need to do this at all. And then you just need to wait. All right, you wait for this progress bar to reach 100% and then you're done. Okay, then you can click save. So here I'll wait until it's 100%, then I'll let you see what it looks like. All right, okay, so you can see here that it's about 100%. Okay, couldn't run checks, so you don't need that if you're using for competition. Okay, copyright. Okay, doesn't matter about this, just leave it alone. All right, next. And then you have already set it as unlisted. Okay, and that's all you need to do. So you save it. And then what you need to do is you want to give this link, okay, to whoever you want the organizers to watch your video. Right, so you can click this the icon here. It will copy automatically, and then you can open your WhatsApp. Okay, so you can copy and paste the link over there. So that's one way. Or let's say you have already done your video, you can also choose to find your link anytime you want. Okay, I'll go back to the video now. Here, okay, let's say you skip this, you didn't want to give your link at that time. So you can close it first. And what you need to do is you've got to see, you can see your video here. The video has already been uploaded. And competition one, my videos is just 6 seconds, unlisted. All right, and checking to see whether it obstructing, it's infringing on any copyright claims and all that, just can leave it alone. And let's say I want to give my link now. Okay, I already missed the step just now. I can give my link again. What I need to do is let me check. Get shareable link. Look at the 3 dots here. You click get shareable link. Okay, the link will be copied to a clipboard. Then you can open your WhatsApp. Okay, open back your WhatsApp. All right, and then you can choose, let's say, this group here, whatever group. You can just right click and paste your link over here, and then you can send it off. All right, okay, so that's what you need to do. Very simple only. All right, so remember that first of all, if you do not have an account, make sure that you have to create one first. Okay, which is here. Right, then you have to key whatever particulars that you have. Okay, then you go to your channel and then you upload. There's another way to upload, which is just to create. Right, this is your channel now. This is, let's say you want to repeat, you want to upload another video, you repeat the same process, you upload here. Okay, and there's another way here, you just click on this camera icon here. There's one way. Okay, you can also click over here, upload video. Upload video, you click on it. And you will come to, again, the same thing, select files, and bring you to your desktop folder. You can choose whatever files, whatever videos that you want to upload. All right, okay, so I hope that this video has helped you. So, all right, if any questions, please just message me and I will help you. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.